Alrighty, I am going to run through a quick demo of our Chrome extension for LinkedIn to show, it's very meta, to show what happens when someone reacts with this post that I just posted 3 minutes ago. So the thing that, just to demo the launch, so what we can do is have the Common Room Chrome extension added here. I'm going to select the right room to add to, and then you'll see this button here that says add to post. So I'm going to click add to post. And then this will give me a prompt to just add anyone who's interacted with this post, comments, likes, etc., into Common Room. But I want to create a specific segment for this group. So I can isolate that audience and then send a personalized message. So I'm going to create a new segment and just call it Kevin's LinkedIn in post Chrome extension demo. Okay, so that'll create a new segment in Common Room for me and allow me to do an outbound automation. So I'm going to say add this post to Common Room. What this will do is grab anyone who's interacted with this post. I don't know if there has been anyone just yet because it's pretty new. And we'll pull them into Common Room. And then I can just come back and return and visit this, refresh it on a minute-by-minute basis if I want to. Looks like I have some people from Common Room who have interacted. So I'm going to go back and continue browsing LinkedIn. This will now show as a segment in Common Room. So I'm going to jump over to Common Room. Actually, let me open this up. Here we go. So we now have this Kevin's LinkedIn post Chrome extension demo segment here. It might take a few minutes for anyone to get added to this segment. But when they do, we can set up an automation in Common Room here that will send an outbound message. So this is a workflow that I've created to add someone to an outbound sequence. And what we can do here is add our filter and say segment that anyone who is in this content segment that we just created, Kevin's LinkedIn post for Chrome extension, with any status, sure. If I wanted to here, I could say also that if they're an economic buyer or some sort of like filter, but because this is a demo, I want to send this to anyone. And then we can say select a sequence. And then I can say, oh, actually, I should show this in Outreach. We have an Outreach segment sequence built here. It's called Chrome extension for LinkedIn, and it has some dynamic fields and also a custom field here, which will insert a LLM snippet that's generated from that LinkedIn signal. And I'll show you how that works in a second. So if I go back to this workflow builder, I can say add to sequence, and we'll say Chrome extension for LinkedIn demo, and then make sure it's coming from me, yours truly. And this is turned on. And so the only thing that I need to do now is click save. And then let's say turn workflow on and save changes. And so now when anyone enters into that new segment that we pull in from my LinkedIn post, they'll get an automated message from me. And let's see if I can refresh this again, if it's now populated with 3 people, all the people on my team, which is exciting. So I wanted to demo like what that snippet will look like when we send it to Rebecca or Eric. So I'm gonna click on Eric here, and then we'll add Eric to this outreach sequence. And we don't have to do this because I've already set up the workflow. But if you wanted to, I just want to show a preview of what that snippet will look like. So I'm going to say add Eric to sequence. And then I will also do that Chrome demo sequence. And what you can see here is that Ruby AI, our AI-powered assistant, has generated a personalized message for Eric. That'll be entered into, I'm going to hit add a sequence and just spam Eric here for a second. That'll now be added into this outreach message that we set up with this custom snippet of dynamically inserted via Common Room and Outreach integration. So pretty cool stuff. Hopefully it's helpful and not too overly tech or complicated. I just wanted to show how powerful all the stuff you could do is with automation and ingesting signal from LinkedIn. So thanks for watching.